In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing page, choose where it should live, and get it ready to publish without breaking your team's structure or links. Start by opening Confluence. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to view and copy the content you're working with. Permissions in Confluence are space-specific, so if you don't see the options shown here, you may need to check with an admin. Next, head to the space where the original page lives. You can use the left sidebar or the top navigation to find your space. Think of a space as a dedicated area for a team or project, with its own page tree and structure. Find the page you want to copy in the page tree. Hover over the page title and look for the three-dot menu to reveal more options. This is where Confluence keeps additional page actions. Click the three dots, then choose Duplicate. Confluence will open a dialog that confirms you're creating a copy and asks where you want the new page to go. In that dialog, select the destination space and the parent page. Confluence may refer to the parent as a folder in some views, but it's really the page under which your copy will sit in the tree. Choose the place that makes the most sense for your workflow so the page inherits the right context and restrictions. For this example, we'll choose a space called Sales Project as the destination. You can pick any space you have access to, just make sure it's the right home for this content. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Duplicate. Confluence will build the copy for you, including the page body, formatting, images, tables, and most attachments and labels. Any dynamic elements like mentions, dates, or macros will also be carried over, but plan to review them for accuracy. Your copied page opens in the editor. Change the title right away to avoid confusion with the original. A clear naming convention, such as adding a prefix or the current quarter, helps teammates find the right version fast. Scan the content for references to the original page, update internal links if needed, and check any page restrictions that might have been inherited. When everything looks good, click Publish. That's all there is to it. Open Confluence, go to your space, open the three-dot menu on the page, choose Duplicate, pick the destination, confirm, and then retitle and publish. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.